Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about doing websites, autoresponders, and so much more. Right now is an absolute amazing deal going on. It ends April 20th, so you definitely want to jump in. Right here is the website, but you can save $40 off your first month and have our marketing team create a website for you right in front of your eyes. So it's a great way to get started, and right here you can go to websitebuilderdemo.now.site and get started. Right here above you'll be able to see all the different things this $47 program will do for you. You have SMS marketing, including broadcasting, keywords, and credits done. You have clickable image websites and pages, absolutely amazing and simple and easy to use. You can use those for ClickBank, JVZoo, any of your products, making opt-in pages, landing pages, websites, whatever you want. Absolutely awesome. You also can do file sharing, unlimited file sharing and storage that you can do with your teams. It's an AI-powered website retargeting done. 3-click marketing, generate leads, absolutely simple and easy. All you have to do is just click on it, click Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. It will allow you to go ahead and post simple images right to those pages and make them clickable. Then you have proximity marketing, where you can broadcast your ads. You have 2,500 guaranteed ad views. You have advanced targeting, lead generation, including geo-targeting and demographics, unlimited landing pages done. Unlimited secured hosting domains. You never have to buy a domain again. You have unlimited domains. You have SEO, an email autoresponder, an email blaster, all that. You have a website blog, Google Analytics, Contact Manager, which is your CRM, put all your contacts, see how everything's going. You have live chat and support. You have a custom mobile app, free training all throughout the week, 24/7 via live chat and Zoom with our support team. And right now, a new TECH-NEWBIE friendly that we also have our nerd system that allows you to have nerds create your website, answer your questions, do everything you need right in the simple process. Let me jump over here. I'll show you right here. You can do analytics, online ads, websites, email marketing, social marketing, SMS campaigns, add your contacts. You can select your teams and share files, your content. You have affiliate program, and you also have travel credits. You get travel credits right here. So you have everything all in one. Make as many websites as you want and go ahead and get started. You can go ahead and click on these and see how simple and easy it is. So you just click on the home and edit. You have all of these options to make it simple and easy. Right here I made this one, making money online. This actually I did not make. I actually pulled from our group, and all the information's in here. Go directly to my page. Down below I will have this so you can see how it works. One of the awesome things is when someone puts in their phone number, my system automatically texts you additional information. I can put that on a drip system, or I can do it as a one-time thing. So on the far left hand side we can jump into SMS marketing. Absolutely my favorite because this is simple and easy. Put in your files here. So if this is a one-time SMS marketing blast that you would like to have, when they opt in, this information will automatically go. Now I do love the drip system. You can go right here to drip campaigns, and you can create your drip campaigns to go out. You can make these as far out as you want. You can send immediately or delay it, 4 days, 1 day, 2 hours, whatever you want, and put in these messages. This allows people to go to your YouTube, your website, your Twitter, your TikTok, wherever you want them to go, and they get it immediately text on their phone. Now, to keep them involved and interested in your products, you can go ahead and delay these out. You can go 30 days out. You can do whatever you want. Now, my system is going to reset, so I have 250 this month. I need to go ahead and get started. I actually have more than that, but you can select your list, put them into as many lists as you like, let the system automatically do it for you, and it's ready to go. Email marketing, you can spend $47 just on email marketing. I set up all my accounts right here. All you have to do is just click edit. You can add in all of the information into your email marketing. You can soon will be able to add a GIF. It might be ready already, but you can add a GIF in here, and the GIF, you know, you've seen those ones that are running and it makes you click on it because you want to hear the message. That is going to be available. Right here you can plug in the name and information, your links and phone numbers, whatever you'd like. These will go directly to your YouTube. You can add a button. It's simple and easy. Just select button, grab it, drop it, come over here, change the information wherever you want them to go, change the style. You have button attributes, go ahead and change it, small, medium, large, the color, alignment, spacing, you can change that for as close as you want it to go to the others, or leave it as is. Here you have a section background, your heading, you can change and alter, and your subheading. So you can alter and change anything in these emails. It's a drag and drop, simple and easy. Hey, I don't want that anymore. Go ahead, click on the delete, say delete, and it's gone. Go ahead and go to the top, resave, and it's simple and easy. Right here, this automated system is going to go out for me and do the work for me. All you have to do is just hit save and exit and come back, do a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day follow-up system. It's all right here for you. You can create that as fast and as slow as you like. Simple and easy, copy and paste, put the information in here. It allows you to create these. You can put an image, you can grow your YouTube, you can take people to your TikTok, learn more about you. So it's truly up to you at how you want to get started and start promoting your business. We all know that branding is so important, so being part of your emails and people seeing your information daily allows you to be in front of your email list and go ahead and stay in contact with your branding. All you have to do is hit watch now. That'll take them directly wherever you want them to go. So you can add videos, buttons, large images, change the settings in the footer. You can make them quick and fast, or you can add more effort. Select save and exit, go ahead and go out of there. Okay, no longer want to do emails, go ahead and come over here to websites. You can create websites unlimited, and some are already made for you, so all you have to do is just plug in your information and it's all in here. Go ahead and select preview. When you preview, this one is businessbranding.now.site. We'll give my system a little bit to open that up, and we'll let that go. But here you can see there is as many websites as you want to make right here in this simple system. Also, as a quick reminder, this is a fast and easy way to do JVZoo, ClickBank, maybe any affiliate program that you're in. All you have to do is just hit start. You can create these as fancy as you want and keep that branding. All the branding is right here for you, simple and easy. All you have to do is click edit. all the simple program is here for you. Hey Leah, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do websites. I don't want to do it. So all you have to do is come down here in the lower right hand corner. Go ahead and select our training courses, or you can hire a nerd. So this is one program that allows you to do so much information. And my internet's going a little slow here for a moment. Getting started, you will have how to make a website. Excuse me, the jets are flying over. Got some jets flying over, so just wanted to take a moment. How to make a website, how to create an email, how to make an ad, how to make a social post, analytics teams done for you, set up an SMS marketing, and website builder. All you have to do is just hit play. It'll go ahead and do that training for you. Hey Leah, I still don't understand. I don't know how to make websites. Not a problem. One of the things you can do is just go ahead and hire a nerd, book a call, and go ahead and get started. So right now you can go ahead and work with one of our website designers and go ahead and get started so there's no delay. We want to be able to help you get along. So website design nerd is 30 minutes for $20. $20. I don't know about you, but most designers or marketers or website designers, email marketers, anything like that, it's not going to be $20. Right here you can do email marketing, get support and help, SMS marketing, you have a CRM and analytics, online ads, social media, and can't find what you're looking for, go ahead and select. That is a simple, easy $20 to get you started. I don't know if you've ever looked into someone helping you out and getting you started with your business and branding. It's not $20. But I would love to help you with this amazing system, help you save $40. Let's jump back to that Facebook page. Right here is all my information to help you out, and remember it does end April 20th. So you will have all that information come directly to my page, and my name is Leah Fike. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day, and let me know how I can help you. Bye for now.